Okay, our number of the day is the number 9. You're going to help me count or clap to the number 9. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. Everybody point to the number 9 on their screen like this. Great job pointing. Okay, now we're going to practice tracing our number 9. So we're going to find our red dot and we're going to start there. And we're going to say a loop and a line. And that makes 9. Ready? Let's start again. Find our red dot, put our finger on it. A loop and a line. And that makes a 9. Great job, boys and girls.